How to connect the 4-way power splitter to supply power to up to 4 cameras using a single wall adapter. Each Siamese BNC video cable has 2 labels, one label at each end. Take a cable end marked to camera and connect both its BNC and power connectors to the BNC and power connectors of a camera. Repeat this for all remaining video cables. Take the other end of the Siamese video cable marked to DVR and connect its BNC connector to the desired DVR's BNC video input channel. Repeat this for all remaining video cables. You'll end up with only the power input connectors of the video cables being unconnected. Take the 4-way power splitter in hand. Connect the 4 ends that look the same to the power input connectors of the video cables. Take the camera wall power adapter from the kit and plug it into a wall outlet or surge protector. Then plug the adapter's power connector into the 4-way power splitter. After a few seconds, the cameras should start populating.